Welcome to Ballard Rehabilitation Hospital. From the moment you come through our doors, you will see and feel the difference. Our team will provide you or your loved one with compassionate care in a warm and hospitable environment. We won't just return you to health. We'll make sure your hospital experience is a rewarding, life-changing event. Our goal is getting you back to better.
Located in San Bernardino, California, Ballard Rehabilitation Hospital is an acute care hospital that has been providing rehabilitation care for patients with debilitating illness or injuries since 1972. Our friendly and encouraging staff is eager to help you or your loved one through the rehabilitation process. Here, you will receive a customized treatment plan based on your unique condition and needs. Our hospital staff is focused on one common goal: getting you back to independent living. Our 30 fully equipped patient rooms allow us to address your needs quickly and effectively. Our state-of-the-art gym allows our therapists to use the best technology available to effectively work towards your recovery. Our heated indoor pool enables us to offer aquatic therapy in a soothing setting. Our outdoor mobility court provides an opportunity for patients to experience a variety of architectural challenges as part of their therapy program. Our family-friendly atmosphere encourages our patients' loved ones to be a part of the process and provide additional support when they need it most. Your experience will be unlike any other. Together with our fully equipped facility and compassionate and highly trained team, you will be on the path towards recovery and gaining back your independence. For more information or to schedule a personal tour, please contact us or visit our website at ballardrehab.com.